name's Elysia English and welcome to my channel. During this video, we're going to tackle an upcycled Halloween project. Tomorrow is Halloween and the boys have been anxiously waiting to work on some of their Halloween costumes. Chase has had a large project this week and we just haven't gotten it. So today, while they're at school, I'm surprising them and working on their costumes for them. Like many 8 and 10-year-old boys, my boys love Minecraft. And so they've chosen 2 characters that they decided they wanted to be for Halloween. We usually spend quite a bit on their costumes every year. And so this year they decided that since we're only out for a short time, they really didn't want to spend the money. They've been really noticing how much things cost. And so I thought it was really neat that their idea this year was to make their costumes. Because we haven't had time, they're not going to make all of this themselves, but tonight they can make all of their own accessories that they are planning on taking with their characters. So I'm going to use some cardboard boxes, some paint, and we visited the secondhand store to pick up some clothing that were in the right color that they needed for their costumes. We're going to be kind of ruining these with tape and paint, so I didn't want to use clothes they already own. So for $1.99 for each item, I was able to pick up items that match what we needed for their outfits. The first character that we're making for Chase is a skeleton from Minecraft. He wanted to be the gray-scaled skeleton, so we're going to be creating him a skeleton head with a crown that he wanted that will be gold. And then Dayton has decided to be Steve from Minecraft, so he'll have a head as well. They're very pixelated characters, so I'm going to mix a bunch of colors that we're going to make this all pixelated first, and then we're gonna add all the details. I'm creating 6 different scales of gray so that I can use these for the pixels to make the skeleton. I'm just using latex beauty tone paint. I'm referring to a picture on Google of what the character looks like because I am personally not much of a gamer and I know that my kids will know exactly the way he's supposed to look. So what I'm going to do is start painting squares in the tones that it's kind of showing me on the mask. I'm gonna go for like approximately 2 inches by 2 inches. I'm gonna follow all the way across and follow where all of my pixels need to be, and then I'll be able to add the face. Finished the front face, and so what I'm going to do now is leave the top because they would really like to have a diamond helmet that's gonna go on top, or a gold helmet. So the helmet's gonna cover this part, so I don't need to put the pixels. So I'm just completing the pixels on both sides, and then I've already completed the pixels on the back. So this is starting to look really pixelated, which I think is really cool. I've measured where the pixels are on the eye so I know exactly where the helmet is supposed to sit using my pen line. So I'm going to cut that out and then I'm going to pixelate this with a yellow gold. Now I have one of the side pieces of a helmet, so I'm going to make a second the same as this piece for the other side. Just completing the pixels on the right side of the skeleton. I was just waiting for the other side to dry. And then I need to add the gold yellow pixels to the helmet. I know that many of you probably don't have little ones to make costumes for, but it just goes to show you that if you think for any holiday or anytime you need a need for something, if you think outside of the box, you can really make something cool happen using upcycled materials.
Outside the box.
Outside the box.
Nice.
I think it's pretty fun that from years down the road, the kids are going to be like, oh, my mom made my costume. And they're going to be really excited because they don't know I'm working on this right now and they're going to be so surprised. So the box is too tall, so what I'm going to do is cut all the way along this side and both the sides, and then I'm going to fold the box in so that the top of my helmet is flat and I can do the pixels and then attach my front and side pieces of the helmet. So I'm just mixing white with the yellows to make 4 different shades. I'm going to now start making the yellow golden pixels on the helmet. Using hot glue, I'm going to attach the helmet onto the face. Pretty cute.
It's adorable.
Dixon feed. Wes Lauren, thanks for the cardboard. I'm making a skin tone for Steve using blue, a little bit of orange, and white. And then I'll add more white to make 3 separate shades of this color for his skin. He's kind of like an orangey skin tone, sort of a peach. I'm going to do the same thing again, making 1 lighter and then 1 darker. This color will be his nose, and then the straight brown is his hair. I'm going to go 8 pixels across and 6 pixels up. Starting to trace out where the diamond helmet is going to go, and it needs to go between his eyes, and then it needs to go above his eye.
1 square.
1 square, and then over. So. The diamond helmet in Minecraft is this teal color with some accents of white and a lighter shade. So I really think this turned out really cute, and it adds some brightness to the piece. And so I'm going to glue it on and attach it on all the sides. I accidentally painted the wrong side on this one, so I had to paint it on both sides because I got distracted. I'm really happy with the way that the character heads turned out. I think they look super cute, and I love all the colors. I think they really do look pixelated, which I know the kids will love. That they look more real life to their game. When the boys get home from school, I need to measure where their eyes and mouths line up so that I can cut some sight and breathing holes in the front. And then also on the bottom, I need to cut a head hole, which I'm going to line whatever hole we cut out with some felt so it feels really nice on their neck. It doesn't irritate them. They're probably going to be wearing warm toques and warm jackets because it'll probably be rainy and cold tomorrow, like most of our Canadian Halloweens, but they will be nice and warm in these, and they'll be able to see where they're going. Steve, Minecraft character's shirt is a bright blue, and so I just found a secondhand shirt that actually had a shark or a whale on the front of it, and we've switched it inside out, so that is perfect. He'll be able to wear a big coat or a sweatshirt or something underneath because I got it in a larger size. And then Chase has some gray pants. They're just solid jogging pants, and then a gray long sleeve shirt. And so I'm going to turn it inside out, and I'm going to put a skeleton line pattern like the bones using a silver duct tape on the front. scroll saw, I've just cut out the pickaxe that's the accessory for the Steve Minecraft character. And I'm just painting the colors that it needs to be. I'm gonna work a little bit in layers to make it easier since it's pretty geometric to make it pixelated. On the count of 3, open your eyes. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh.
Do you like them?
Yes.
Yes. Are they perfect?
Yes.
Okay. Halloween costumes turned out great and total cost was under $10. We'll be minding our way around the neighborhood looking for candy. From our family to yours, we wish you a fun and safe Halloween. Happy Halloween. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our project. We love you guys and we'll see you on the next video.
If you like our costumes, leave a comment down below.
And don't forget to subscribe.